Come on, the race is going!
All right, fuel. You're good to go. Speed stop.
Sean, you just got here and you're already sitting on the job.
Oh, Haywood, you're here?
How are things between you and Raul?
It's always been an uphill, never ever going down. Raul is always straightforward.
We have a Lexus NX300. We actually worked on this car not too long ago. We put Boston HF3s on here, as you can see, gloss black. Really nice, really cool. 22s. It's back because, as you guys can see, there's chrome all over this car, which is fine. It's normal. You know, it's a Lexus, should have chrome. But since the car is going for more of a sportier look with the wheels and everything, we have to make sure we get rid of all the chrome. So all this should be gone once we're done with it. And Sean is super excited about that because this is his favorite car to work on. Alright, so let me show you what we have so far. So this side, as you can see, is not done yet. So there's chrome on the mirror, chrome on the window trim. So let me show you on the other side. This is how it looks now. So we have this part chrome deleted, and even this window trim part done as well. The top part, bottom is not done yet. But how's it coming along?
It takes a while. This is gonna look good because it's got wheels.
Yeah, that's true. The wheels definitely help. When are you gonna tell Raul to drop out?
Like, you can never advise someone to drop out.
Well, you can lead them down the right path of dropping out. You need to drop out.
I need to drop out. What's new?
How's the married life with Sean?
Oh, it feels good, yeah. Feels good, yeah.
Does his family approve of you? Do you call them mom and dad?
No.
Oh, it's not that close yet. Holy sh!
Jesus. It's the new Call of Duty scope.
Dustin wouldn't know anything about Call of Duty. He can't play, his internet's so. So right now, Raul is heating up the vinyl. I don't know why he's doing that though.
So the wrap stays.
Aside from being a gay man in the big city,
Yeah.
what are your struggles? What makes you tick, bro?
Good question. People can get annoyed sometimes if, you know, if they can't do a certain thing and they just keep repeating it.
Wait, what?
You mean Haywood?
Alright, let's see what Will's doing today. I didn't know he was gonna be here, but apparently he's here. Yo, Will, what are you coating? Ooh, Tesla Model S? Okay, looking good. Nice. It's really clean. I like it.
Appreciate it.
Who are you?
Side chick of detailing. Yeah, when you want to have a little fun, you call me, not Will. Always better looking, a little more fun. You're having a bad time with your wife, you call me.
If I was having a bad time with my wife, why would I call a guy?
They don't know.
There's not the vlog for that. We are doing a ceramic coating on this Tesla Model S here with Brian. We should do it just a tip.
I actually had the tip for you.
What is the tip?
Yeah. All right, come over here.
Just a tip. Just a tip. Just a tip. With me.
So on the Model 3 and the S's, water collects here.
Uh-huh.
So the best way to dry it is with the blow dryer.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that was actually a real tip.
Yeah, real tip. I like giving real good information here.
So Brian already coated this door, so it's a little hazy right now, which is part of the whole process. So we're gonna be wiping that door down soon, and then we're gonna move on to the rest of the car.
Few inches later.
Wait, this hood is really
This
bad.
needs a paint correction for sure. Oh, is it a wrap?
No, it's not a
Look,
wrap.
come look at this.
It's not a wrap.
You like wrap the edges?
It's. Is it peeling?
Nah, you like patch that baby up.
Oh my god. You guys see that? It doesn't even match. Yeah, clear coat failure for sure. It's very yellowing, as you can see. It has like that goldish hue to it. Is it taped up or just peeling?
eBay part, yes or no?
Yeah, definitely eBay.
For sure?
Yeah, for sure.
Should we just start working on it?
Yo, we have nothing but Model 3s here. White Model 3, a red Model 3, and a black Model 3. We're actually installing the unplugged front lip spoiler on this red one here. You guys may recall I did a unboxing and even a test fit video of this front lip spoiler not too long ago on a separate video. The client wanted us to install it as is, so we're gonna do that right now.
Oh, there we go. Just kidding. Check out this montage.
All right, so first things first is we gotta clean the bottom lip because it's kind of dirty.
No, hey, but that's not the first thing we're doing, actually.
What's the first thing we're doing then?
We're taking off all the little snaps.
All right, so we gotta take out these little stupid tabs.
They're not stupid. They're actually quite intelligent.
Good thing is that since there's tape already pre-installed for us by Unplugged, we just gotta prep those and get them ready. Ooh. Those are nice. These are really nice.
Do you want to do one? It's like the nicest snap I've ever used. Push. It's satisfying, isn't it?
Oh, it's solid. Yeah, that washer is thick and everything. So this is what it looks like outside. So it's pretty sporty. I would say the next mod I recommend for this Tesla in particular is a chrome delete, just because the wheels are black. There's a spoiler now. There's a rear diffuser that's carbon fiber, so the chrome, and there's even carbon fiber fenders badges here. The chrome does add too much of attention to it, so I definitely would do a chrome delete on around the windows, the mirrors, and even the door handles. Oh, nice, dude. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yo, that looks really good. Yeah, it's starting to look really sporty. I'm really happy with how it's coming out. All right, guys, that's it for the vlog for today. We're gonna keep working on the Lexus. Click up here for a video recommend just for you, down here for a news video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Man, why are you gonna make my life hard, bro?
Your life is hard yourself.
What?
I just tripped and I was like, wait, that made no sense. You sound like my girlfriend. Always banging at me.